then becoming west after midnight. Sea is 2 to 4 feet. A chance of showers and thunderstorms until early morning. And for Saturday, northwest winds 5.
The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Nassau County in southeast New York, western Suffolk County in southeast New York, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:37 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a severe thunderstorm capable of producing destructive winds in excess of 70 miles per hour. This storm was located over southern Westchester County and moving southeast at 30 miles per hour. This thunderstorm has rotation and could produce a tornado. If a tornado is spotted, act quickly and move to a place of safety in a sturdy structure, such as a basement or small interior room. This is a dangerous storm. If you are in its path, prepare immediately for damaging winds, destructive hail, and deadly cloud-to-ground lightning. People outside should move to a shelter, preferably inside a strong building, but away from windows. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following counties in New York: